Welcome to Stripe API Create Account Demo. This app template allows for the creation of Stripe accounts on the fly. It will automatically redirect the user to the Stripe page to provide their information. To start using this template and build more features in it, you need to click on Start with this template button. I have already started with this template in a new tab and it will take you to a page like this. The first thing that you want to do to use this template is to enter your Stripe secret key. Your Stripe secret key can be found at this URL. So you'll go to this URL on the Stripe website, and here will be the Stripe secret key. Another thing that this template requires is that Stripe Connect is enabled. So you will go to this Connect tab and you will enter all these details to enable Stripe Connect. Once you have done that, we'll go back to Lazy. We'll click on the Test tab and there will be a Start app button and you will click on. After the app is started, the Lazy will provide you a backend URL on which it is listening for requests. Now let's go back to the code. This is the backend code that is running on Lazy, and at the end, in the form of comments, there is a front-end code that you can use to make a post request to this backend code. While using this front-end code, you will have to replace these two things with the first is the return URL. This will be the URL on which you need the user to be redirected to once they have finished entering their details, and the Lazy backend URL is the URL that Lazy generated. I have copy pasted this front end code into a React app. So this is a simple React component, and I have added this backend URL with the actual backend URL, and this is the return URL I have added. So I have also started this app. You can use any other framework you want that allows JavaScript, or you can write on your own front end code as well. So let's just open this. So this is a simple component. It says create Stripe account, and now it is redirecting me to the Stripe website to enter details. I am using it in test mode, so I will enter some dummy details. I'll say use test code and then anything. So test name and then test name, then I'll just add description. Right, I'll use test credit card and agree and submit. Now once it is submitted, it will redirect me to the return URL. So it is saying that account is created. Let's go back to the Stripe and see that the account is actually created in this Connect tab. So I was using it in test mode, so I'll enable test mode like this, and these are all the accounts that I created. Let's look at the most recent one, and I'll need to log in again. Okay, I just need to refresh this page. As you can see, the account is created at 2:57, just 2 minutes before this. Thank you.